Hello guys, hope you're all doing great. If you wanna create image with AI for free, so you are here in the right place. So in this tutorial, I will show you how to create image with AI for free. Are you ready? So let's get started. Open your browser and go to this website, Krea.ai. Okay, where you can create video, where you can create image, and so on. So in this video I'm going to show you how to create image. So click on create image, as you can see on the option, and down here you should describe your image. Okay, so I'm going to describe my image. Create an image of Zurich with a girl on the street playing music, and click on generate. As you can see, it is generating, and as you can see, the picture is ready. Click on that. See, the quality is very good, as you can see. So if you want to download, so for example, click on that. As here you have the option download. Click on download. It will be downloaded, as you can see here. Let's go to download folder and open it. Best quality, and it is free. Yes, you can also use this website to create image which you want. That's it guys, hope you will like it. If you have any question, drop them in the comment section. See you in the next video.